Measurement, munition and force. Measurement, physical quantities, the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly and by means of which we can describe the law of physics are called physical quantities is length, mass, volume. Physical quantities are two types. The fundamental quantities, the quantities which do not depend upon other quantities for their complete definition are known as the fundamental or base quantities. There are the seven fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamics, temperature, luminosity, intensity, and amount of substance. Drive quantities, the quantities which can be expressed in terms of the fundamental quantities are called the drive units. Quantities, the speed, value of acceleration, force, etc. Other than the fundamental and drive quantities, there are two more quantities called the supplementary quantities: E plan, angle. Units. Measurement is a force of determining how large or small and physical quantity is as compared to a basic reference standard. This reference standard is called the unit of the particular physical quantities used. Units are of two types: fundamental units. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental or base length units. Fundamental units are the some physical quantities are as follows: name quantities, length, name units, meters, name quantities, name units, mass, kilogram, luminosity, candela, cd, the time, second, amount, substance, mole, electric current, and ampere. Drives unit, the units of drive quantities are called the drives unit. Let us consider the unit of speed, the speed of distance travel, time taken. The unit of speed, units of distance, unit of time, meter per second, meter per second. Thus, the unit of speed and drive form the fundamental units of length and time. Drives unit of some physical quantities. The physical quantities in drive units: area meter प्रति square, volume meter घन, and density kilometer प्रति घन, potential joule, coulombs and volt, resistance volt, ampere and ohms, resistivity ohm प्रति meter. System of unit: a complete set of units which is used to measure all the kinds of a fundamental and drive quantities is called a system of units. Some of the commonly used system of units are as follows: CGS system. This this is also known as gaseous system of units which are the centrum item grams g, and second and fundamental units of length, mass and time respectively. The unit of force in this system of dynamo. FES system it is the British engineering system of units of use the foot of fundamental level, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass and time, the respectively. The unit of force in this system, podal mox. MKS system in the system is the unit of length, mass and time are meter, kilogram, kg and second respectively. The unit of force in this system of Newtonian. International system SI units is the modernized and extended form of the metric system like CCGS and MK system. This system is contains seven fundamental units of C, provides page and two supplementary units, supplementary quantity unit of symbol, angle radian RD, solid angle steradian SR. The measurement of length, the average of length ranging from a few meters to 10 to the power 5 minus 5 meters can be measured by measuring the instruments like gauge, meter, scale, vernier calipers at the very large astronomical distance can be measured by reflection method and laser method. The quantity of measuring instruction is recognized by the least count. The last count of measuring the instruction is the smallest value of the can be measured by it. The occurrence of measurement is the measuring of how close the measured value is to the true value of the quantity. Precision in the resolution of limit to which the physical quantity is measured. The precision of a measurement depends upon the least count of the measuring instruments. The smaller the last count, the more precise the measurement. Unit for measuring small distance.